In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear bumper end cover. Let's get started. Okay friends, let's get started on replacing our rear bumper end cover. To do this, we're gonna have to make our way underneath the backside of this. Once you're under here, you're looking for this circular clip. Use a trim tool or small prying device. Carefully get in between the body of the vehicle and the clip and remove it. Give that a close inspection because you will be reusing it. Once you're done with that clip, look up inside this area. You're going to be able to find the marker bulb assembly. Let's grab onto that wiring harness and turn it counterclockwise to remove it from the back side. Give your bulb a quick inspection and then set it aside. Continuing on the back side here, you're going to find two locking tabs. One down low and one just above it. For these locking tabs, you want to gently pry them away from the bumper. Once you have those pried away, we can continue on by starting to separate this. Once you have the front separated, continue on by separating the rear. Before we get ready for the installation of our new bumper end cover, let's inspect the body of the vehicle. You want to look in this top hole here and make sure that you don't have any of the old clip in there. Your new bumper end cover has one. Assuming it's not in there, move along to checking this area. This looks good. Let's continue on by putting on our bumper end cover. To do this, we can grab that wiring and insert it into the backside here. Now we can take this and start putting it in position. You'll notice that you have your two locking tabs here that fit into their corresponding slots, and then you also have that brand new clip here that I had mentioned. That fits into its corresponding hole as well. Let's get it lined up and then latch it into its locked position. Now while we're holding that in place from the outside, continue on with a curved pick. You're going to want to get in between this plastic area and gently pry it away from its locked in position. While you're doing that, press it in. Move along to the next one, do the exact same thing. Once you have the inboard side clips in place, we're going to have to make our way outside here. Use a plastic trim tool. Get in between this area and gently pry it up a little bit. This should slide up and over your plastic bumper cover here. There we are. Now once it comes up and over this area, we're going to make our way along the side. Now we'll make sure this is lined up as well. Give it a little tap to make sure it's secured. With that on there, continue on with your locking clip.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.